Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to put a watermark in Canva. Alright, so to start we are going to click on the text box and insert text, and then here we can write whatever you want for your watermark. So for us we're going to put next level edits, and then we can choose our font, and then also maybe we'll make it a little bit bigger. Alright, so now that we have what we're saying for the watermark, we're happy with the font and the size, we are going to make a duplicate. And now we can kind of line it up. And then we're going to make another duplicate and put it on the other side and have them evenly spaced. So now that we have the 3 in a row, we are going to highlight all of them and group them together. Alright, and now we are going to put them on an angle. You can either keep it straight if that's how you want your watermark to be, but for this we're going to do it on an angle. Go put it up in the top corner. And then we are going to duplicate it and have even spacing throughout and just move it down the canvas. And once you do it once or twice, then the duplicate will auto space for you, so that's very handy. Alright, once you're happy with it, so if we see the middle one, there's a little bit of space at the top there, so we can ungroup one of the sets. And then we will just copy the one, and then we will just move it over just so it fills in that empty space. Alright, and now that we have the spacing, we're going to highlight all of them. And now we're going to go up to the grade and make it more transparent. So you can make it however light or however dark you want it. And then to download it, we're going to go up to download or share, and then download. And then we want to make sure that we're hitting this transparent background. So for us, we usually do the PNG file, hit that transparent background, and then we'll go share. And now you have a transparent background, very transparent watermark that you can put on all your videos or pictures. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.